Come back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite drinks and healthy recipe where you can make yourself some lovely juice at home. So guys, hopefully you just like the recipe and subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. Anyway, all of these recipe is just some ideas that you guys can make at home before you go to work in the morning and also in the afternoon or in the evening. Make it and bring it to work. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. I just put a handful of spinach inside of my Ninja smoothie blender right here. Wash it off and everything. Look at that. Spinach and green apple, sorry guys. So we're gonna make you a healthy green juice, alright? So we're gonna put one green apple inside of it. Then we're gonna squeeze some lime juice in it like this. As you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. And we're gonna do a healthy drink. Then we're gonna put a piece of a ginger inside of it. That's a piece of a ginger. Nice and lovely. Let's get it down inside of it. The next thing what we need to put inside of it is a must. Don't tell me that you guys are supposed to love this one. As I can see exactly what I'm talking about right here. This one gonna be cucumber. Alright, just a piece of a cucumber inside of it like that. So we got lemon, cucumber and ginger and lime juice. Then add some water. Then a little bit of honey. Not too much, roughly a teaspoon of honey. And cover. And we're gonna blend this about 3 to 4 seconds, alright? Nice and lovely. I just finished blend it, and this is the way it look. Let's look at it. Beautiful. Rich and nice. As you can see, very good for you guys and healthy recipe. So hopefully you like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below. We got a lot more ideas and tips coming from Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. It's just amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, enjoy and see you next time. And this is from the team and Chef Ricardo. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, is the juice bar. Welcome to Chef Ricardo Juice Bar. Anyway, we're gonna make you a spinach and ripe banana drink. Very simple. You can see I have roughly about 2 handfuls of spinach inside of my Ninja blender right here, as you can see. And basically what we're going to do, I'm just gonna remove the skin from the banana and break the banana and put it straight inside of this Ninja blender, just like that. Then next, what we're going to do, we're gonna add some water. Almost a glass of water, and then we're gonna add a teaspoon of honey, little bit of lemon juice. Banana is good for your immune system, and the spinach is really good for you guys, so you can give it a go. Then we're gonna blend this for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes. Nice one. So this is the banana and spinach. Really nice. Rich and lovely. That is beautiful. Look at that. Really rich and nice and lovely and smoothie and green. So guys, enjoy the recipe, and that is from the Juice Bar channel with Chef Ricardo, who will come with best, better and more in the future. Thank you so much for watching the Drinks channel, and see you next time. Bye bye. favorite recipe. Anyway, today we want to do inside belly fat, or you can get belly fat in 7 days time. Get your belly fat in 7 days time. Guys, this is an amazing recipe. All of these ingredients is mighty and powerful. Let's start the action. I just grated some ginger right here. I use this side of the grater. You can use this side if you like to, but I use this side mostly. And also I have 2 tea bag green tea, the most powerfulest thing on the planet. Look at these ingredients, guys. Inside belly fat. I have a empty jug, as you can see, nothing inside of it. And all I'm going to do is get my tea bag and pour it straight inside of it like this. As you can see, 2 tea bag. This one is the green tea. The green tea is mighty and powerful. Black cumin. This one is black cumin. And I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of the black cumin inside of the jug. Then one teaspoon of grated ginger inside of the water. I'm just gonna be scraping everything inside. Half of a lemon juice, honey, half teaspoon of honey, hot water. And leave that for 10 minutes. Nice and lovely. So I remove my cover and give it a stir. Then pour my liquid, strain it. Few pieces of lemon inside of the water. Guys, this is a powerful recipe, and as you can see exactly what I use: black cumin and green tea, honey and lemon and ginger. All of these ingredients works really powerful and mighty. So hopefully you like the recipe, and please subscribe the channel and leave your comments. This is just amazing recipe, guys, you can do at home in your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching my show, and come with best, better in the future, and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. I just want to simply say to you, there's a quick update on this inside belly fat drink. The best time to drink it is in the morning before your breakfast, and also at night. You can also drink it before you go to your bed. You can drink one in the day also. As you can see, I use hot water. That's the best to use. And as you can see exactly how I did it, I make this in the morning before I eat my breakfast, and drink it before I do anything in the morning. As I said before, you can do this for 5 days, and as I said, every one of us body is totally different. So if you do it for 5 days, you don't see any result, don't blame Chef Ricardo, please. You know what I mean? As I said before, every one of us body is different. Try a different ingredients which probably agree for your body. And as I said before, drink it in the morning when you wake up in the morning, or you can make it from the night before and drink it in the morning by the simple warm it up back quickly on the pot on the stove. That's the easiest way. So guys, enjoy it, and hopefully this will be a benefit to you. And please just please leave your comments below and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. As I said before, the best time to drink it is in the morning. And as you can see, half a lemon, black cumin, ginger, and honey, and green tea bag. And you can drink this for 5 mornings straight and 1 at night before you go to your bed. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the show. Bye bye.